Step 1. Remove headrests. Step 2. On one side, undo the Velcro and fit the cover behind the seatbelt. Step 3. Redo the Velcro behind the seatbelt and tuck the headrest plastic housing into the holes. Step 4. Place the cover over the top of the seat. Step 5. Tuck all the plastic housing into the holes. Step 6. Undo the Velcro and move the material behind the seatbelt, then redo the Velcro. Step 7. Push the free foam pouches into the gaps between the backrest and base. Step 8. Pull the base of the cover over the corners of the base. Step 9. Pull the back of the base cover over the back part of the seat. Repeat on both sides. Step 10. Attach the 2 elastic clips together behind the seat backrest. Step 11. Reattach the headrests and slide on the headrest covers.